Good evening, traders. This is Buyer from London. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of August, and the currency I'm looking at today is the Australian dollar on a 2-hour chart. My bias to the upside, so I'm looking to go long. My analysis is going to be based on a pattern called the deep crab pattern, which is a 5-point structure where literally you've got point B approximately 88.6 retracement of the XA leg. Then you've got point C, which is between 38.2 retracement and 78.6 retracement of the AB leg. So in this case it's around 61.8 retracement. Point D should literally end. Point D should end within a zone, within a strong support zone where price should ideally bounce. Now point B is defined by 3 price levels. The upper boundary is the 127% Fibonacci extension of the AB leg, which is this right here, projected from the C point. Then you've got then you've got the 2 other price levels which are literally on top of each other, which will be the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of the XA leg, this one right here, 161.8 of the XA leg, and literally 224 Fibonacci extension of the BC leg. So we got that 2 price level right on top of each other. So basically this pattern identifies a zone between 1.0824 and 1.0815. So that's literally a 10 pip zone where price should reverse. And as you can see, price did sail through that zone. In fact, we have a close below that zone, but immediately after that we have a doji, with like a proper doji where there's price literally open and end at the same price level for that 2-hour session. So that's a very nice doji. And on top of that, you could actually see like this the support zone is right near the breakout level of price in the middle of last month. So this resistance turned support is, this support zone identified by this pattern is literally just above the resistance turned support, this price level here, the top of this congestion zone. So that being said, my interpretation is price could what's wrong with my mouse? Yeah, my interpretation is price could still trade into this resistance zone. Price could tag this support zone, this resistance on support level before moving further upward. So that being said, I want to go long, and I'm placing my stop loss just below this resistance zone. So I want to place my stop loss around here, probably like 0.74 or 0.745. That's where I want my stop loss to be, and that's a wide stop. If for people that don't like wide stop, you could basically put your stop at 1.0750 as well. So I want to go long like right now, because we're right in the middle of that zone. And in terms of target, the ideal place to target will be just the next support and resistance, which is around this area, around 1.0925. However, if I do a Fibonacci retracement of the AD leg, which is one of my favorites, and I do 38.2 and 88.6 and 61.8 retracement of the AD leg, what we literally have is this. So we've got 1.0898 at 38.2 retracement. So once price break above this congestion zone and tag this 38.2 retracement, I want to basically tighten my stop. So I want to move my stop to as close to break even as possible. However, if price close above this and tag this support right here, this resistance right here, then definitely put your stop loss at break even, but that would hold. But if price manages to break above this, and the next step will be the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement of the AD leg, which is 1.0962. And if you're very lucky, if price goes above this, then there's more room to the upside. So it could just be a continuation of this uptrend. If As you can see on the daily, we got a nice run. So that will literally be a continuation of the uptrend if price managed to close above this. But anyway, for this week, I'm looking to go. I'm looking to the upside based on this doji. This doji form right below a resistance zone identified by a deep crab pattern, which is actually above this breakout level as well. So we've got a couple of confirmations there. Stop loss ideally above the below this breakout level, because price could trade near this breakout level. So that being said, probably at 1.0740 or 1.0745. First target will be 38.2 retracement, which is 1 point of this AD leg, which is at 1.0898. So you want to trade your stop when price approach that. If price close above this resistance zone here, then move stock to break even, and then just it's usually an open objective, but you basically want to manage your trade accordingly depending on price action for the next couple of hours or days, who knows. So that will be up. So it's bias to the upside, going long based on this pattern and the doji. So thank you for listening, and good luck with your trades.